You are stronger than you think. Hello mga Mars, welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we are going to feature an Echeveria etna of succulents. Their light requirements is for indoors. It is near a sunny southwest facing window or under grow lights. It rays up to 6 onwards hours. For outdoors, full to partial sun protect from intense afternoon sun in hot climates. Rotate pots weekly for even shape. For their water and soil requirements, use the soak and dry method. Water thoroughly when soil is completely dry, then let it dry out again. Their soil must be gritty, lean, and fast draining like cactus succulent mix. Drainage is essential to ensure pots that have a drainage holes. Their temperatures and humidity favor swarm conditions, not frost hardy. Prefers low humidity, avoid high moisture.